Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Descenders with friends on Xbox. First, make sure everyone has the game and an active Xbox Live Gold subscription. Launch Descenders and head to the main menu. From there, you'll want to select the Freeride or Multiplayer option to begin setting up your session. This is where you'll find the tools to connect with your friends for some epic downhill action. Once in the multiplayer section, look for the Lobby or Create Lobby option. To ensure only your friends join, select Private Lobby. The game will then generate a unique 6-digit lobby code. This code is crucial for your friends to join your specific game. Share this code with them so they can enter it and link up with your session. After creating your private lobby and getting the code, share it with your friends through Xbox messages or another communication method. Your friends will then need to launch Descenders, go to the multiplayer menu, and select Join Lobby. They will enter the code you provided. Once they've entered it, they should appear in your lobby, ready to ride. With all your friends successfully in the lobby, the host can now initiate the game. You're all set to hit the trails, race each other, and explore the vast Descenders world as a team. Remember to communicate and have fun as you conquer those challenging descents. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your gaming setup and daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.